Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn on live voicemail on your iPhone. And before I teach you that, make sure to update your iPhone because this option is only available in the latest version of iPhone. So if you have not updated that, update it and follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to open the setting of your iPhone. Now, once you're inside the setting page, scroll a bit down until you see this option called calls. Scroll a bit down, and once you see this option called phone or calls, click on where it says phone. Now once you're inside your phone, you should see this option called live voicemail. If you don't see this option live voicemail, just scroll until you see it. Once you see it, it should be off. So click on live voicemail. Now once you click on it, it's going to take you inside, and once you're inside, make sure to turn on your live voicemail. Once it's turned on, basically you have done it. You have turned on your live voicemail on your iPhone. What does live voicemail does is whenever somebody calls you and you don't pick up, it goes on voicemail mode, which means they can leave an audio recorded voicemail to you, and after you pick up your phone again, you can listen to what the other person has left you a message with. That's basically what this setting does. So hope you understand. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos just like this related to iPhone. I will see you guys next time.